I'm at the Vancouver Maritime Museum. Into the Arctic has opened here, and also at the Queen Elizabeth Theatre.
Arthur. My name is Arthur.
And?
My name is Kate.
All right, Kate. And what are you looking at here?
Oh, we're looking at one of our favorite paintings
of yours. Yes, this is the best, in our opinion. We really love the colors here and this rainbow.
The composition is
amazing. From top.
So I imagine you were standing right on the edge, somewhere right on the very edge to take this.
I really like when you're saying to take, because you're a photographer.
Yeah,
so I used take too, but I know it's painted. So it's like you took this, but you painted it actually.
Look at this one.
And another one actually is very amazing too. Mount Thor. So did you have the water from this river there?
Well, yeah, actually, that painting I've taken some artistic liberties. The reality is that you will never actually be able to find this actual view.
Ooh!
Aha, a little secret for them.
You have a secret for that?
I have a little secret. So, you'll see in the study over here, the study is where I actually set up my easel, right in amongst the rocks. And when I decided I wanted to do a larger painting of this, I had actually enlarged it to this 9 feet by 5 feet.
Okay.
But the rocks were taking on too big a prominence for my liking, and I wanted to focus on Mount Thor. And so what I did is I actually, this view down across the bottom third of the painting wound up being a view that I'd seen several kilometers further upstream the day before. And as an artist, one thing that makes it why I love to paint as opposed to just focus on photography is I can take artistic license to try to get across what I hope is sort of more what I'm feeling about the place. And I found the rocks were diminishing the impact of seeing Mount Thor in the piece, and so when I was in the studio, I instead in the bottom third used this more expansive view that I'd seen the day before, so that I included things like these flowers over in the corner to help give a sense of scale to the whole painting. And exactly, because it's difficult.
When we were looking at this, because Arjun has a photo cinema, actually we were wondering if you just were much closer, because he has a lot of more foreground in his photo with actually the same view. But so that's the explanation.
Yep.
Because we couldn't find the
exactly.
common point. Okay.
I figured someday somebody may try to go find this view and they'll go crazy. To be perfect.
It could be us.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.